Let me start with this one. Let's say you've got a, okay, power 2. This will just be the same as a power 2. It won't change. Now, in a case where you've got a power negative 2, this will be the same as 1 over a power 2. So once you see a negative sign, it's more like a window, or should I say upstairs, okay? There is, or it's flats, okay? There is the first floor and the down floor here, okay? When you see a negative, you are on the first floor, you go to the down floor. On the first floor, put a 1, okay? If you see a negative, let's say there is, we've got 1 over b power negative 3. This, it's downstairs. When you see a negative sign, take it up. It will go upstairs. So it will be like this, over a 1. We shall remain with a 1 here down here, such that this will just be the same as the b power 3. Because 1 into b power 3, it will just be the same. So in a case where we've got a fraction, okay, we've got a fraction. Let's say we've got b over a, okay, and the power here, let's say it's power negative 4. If it's power negative 4, or let me start with positive. If the power is like this, we just maintain the same. This is how it will look like, because we know that this 4 is being applied to b and a. So it will be b power 4, a power 4, just like that, okay? Now, in a situation where the negative, okay, I mean the power is a negative power, what happens? Like I said, in terms of flats, what is on top will go down, and what is down there will go on top. So it will be like this. It's supposed to be a. It's supposed to be a here. It will be a over b, and the power becomes positive. Okay. Next, you just say distribute now. This power here and here, just like that. So this is one of the properties, or some of the properties that we must know. Again, when you've got a power, okay, a power like this, let's say you've got a over b power, maybe let's say 5 over a 2. This will just maintain the way it is, no changing what is inside. We change when there is a negative sign here. So when there is a negative sign, this will be b over a power 5 over a 2, like that. And what you must know is that the number that is below here, or this power, is the same as 1 over 2, and again there is a power 5 here, this 5, okay? This power is a root, so this is a square root. What makes you determine the kind of root that you are dealing with is the denominator here. Power fraction, if there is power a 2 down here, it means it's a square root. If there's a 3 here, it's a cube root. If there is a 4, it's a fourth root, just like that, okay? So that's the thing. So now let's just apply this and see what we can do on our question. So we shall have, since the power is a negative, as usual, we reciprocate. Why am I doing this? Because the power was negative. Don't do anything to the power, just change the sign. Once you make those movements, and the reason why we're making the movements is because of the negative. We want to get rid of the negative sign. So it will go like this, okay? The next thing here will be now to apply this root. We know that this is 1 over, okay, let me write it here. What we have now, it's the same as 9 over 2, okay? 1 over 2 and the power 3, okay? So now, this root will be applied. So it will be square root of 9 over 25, okay? And a power 3 outside, this power here, outside. Thereafter, we can find now the square root. What is the square root of 9? It's a 3. Square root of 25, it's a 5. Okay, so that's it. And there is a power 3 there. So now from this stage, let me copy it. We write it here. So we have 3 over 5 power 3. This is the stage where we're at. So from this stage, you just distribute this power 3 here, power 3 here, like that. Finally, we're going to get a 27. 3 power 3, it's 27, over 5 power 3, it's 125. This is our solution. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've learned one or two things. Please remember to subscribe, set the notification bell if you have not yet done so. This has been Isichamba Jacob. Bye-bye.